Next story. NIH budget for 2024 shows minimal increase. In a whirlwind of legislative decisions, Congress has finalized the National Institutes of Health (NIH) budget for 2024, awarding a modest 0.6% increase amounting to $47.1 billion. This incremental raise, a mere $300 million bump, falls far short of the $920 million initially requested by President Joe Biden. Despite the less-than-expected increase, the NIH community is gearing up to navigate the financial landscape as they face challenging decisions in a short time frame. The Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology, FASEB, highlights the unexpected turn of events, emphasizing the need for NIH Director Monica Bertagnolli and individual institutes to swiftly strategize on allocating resources. The biomedical research sector, represented by Research America, expresses gratitude that a spending bill was secured, averting a freeze at the 2023 budget level. However, concerns linger as funding levels struggle to keep pace with inflation and mounting research requirements. Amidst the budget constraints, certain research domains emerge as winners. The National Cancer Institute secures a $120 million boost for research grants, Alzheimer's disease research sees a $100 million UPTICK, and mental health research is allocated an additional $75 million compared to the previous year. Nevertheless, the majority of NIH's institutes and centers are set to maintain their 2023 funding levels, with the Advanced Research Projects Agency for Health budget remaining at $1.5 billion, falling short of the requested $1 billion increase. Notably absent from the final budget agreement are contentious policy provisions advocated by the U.S. House of Representatives, including limitations on diversity initiatives at NIH, constraints on federal funding for fetal tissue studies, and research related to gender-affirming care. Additionally, the proposal to defund grants to the EcoHealth Alliance and impose a ban on gain-of-function research, which triggered debates on virus studies, have been omitted from the bill. The American Society for Microbiology, a vocal entity on scientific matters, applauds Congress for refraining from restricting specific scientific investigations and entrusting experts to ensure the safe conduct of research. As the dust settles on the NIH budget allocation for 2024, the scientific community braces for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, navigating the complexities of funding distribution and research priorities. The ever-evolving landscape of scientific funding and policy decisions showcases the delicate balance between financial constraints, research priorities, and ethical considerations, underscoring the resilience and adaptability of the scientific community in the face of evolving challenges. Source: Science. Next story. How Trump's criticism may have strengthened confidence in science. Survey findings. In a surprising turn of events, a recent study has uncovered a remarkable trend in public trust in science during the tumultuous presidency of Donald Trump. Despite the former president's relentless attacks on scientists and federal research agencies, the study reveals that trust in scientists actually increased among the American populace. The study, led by University of Michigan political scientist John Miller, sheds light on how public perception of science shifted over the years, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. The survey, which compared responses from nearly 3,000 participants before and during the pandemic, found that individuals were eager to seek reliable information about critical issues like the pandemic and climate change. While there was a rise in mistrust, the surge in trust outweighed it substantially. Surprisingly, this trend was observed across political affiliations, with both conservative Republicans and liberal Democrats showing marked changes in their attitudes towards scientific information. Conservative Republicans, despite increasing skepticism, also displayed a rise in trust towards science. Independents mirrored this shift, showcasing a dual movement towards both skepticism and trust. On the other hand, liberal Democrats overwhelmingly expressed high levels of trust in science, indicating a strong alignment with scientific messaging. The study's findings suggest that individuals gravitated towards information that reinforced their existing beliefs, a concept known as motivational reasoning. Harvard University political scientist Jennifer Hochschild emphasizes that the high stakes of the pandemic compelled individuals to pay attention to scientific facts, even in the face of contradictory messaging. The study's results point to the crucial role of scientific literacy in shaping public attitudes, with those more knowledgeable about scientific topics showing more positive attitudes towards science. Despite the challenges in polling public opinion on science, Miller's approach of asking specific questions has provided valuable insights into the dynamics of trust in science. While the Trump administration's criticisms tested public trust in science, the resilience of American faith in scientific expertise ultimately prevailed. As we navigate complex scientific issues in today's world, this study offers a fascinating glimpse into the evolving landscape of public trust in science. It underscores the importance of promoting scientific literacy and critical thinking to foster a more informed and trusting society. Source: Science. Next story. Key updates: Geoengineering test cancellation, Havana syndrome investigation, and U.S. Energy Research Chief resigns. In the realm of scientific advances and revelations, the latest news is abuzz with a myriad of intriguing developments that are bound to pique the curiosity of enthusiasts and experts alike. Let's embark on a journey through the captivating landscape of science that is teeming with surprises and revelations. Our first stop takes us to the cosmos, where a battle is brewing over the fate of NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory. The proposed budget cuts have sparked outrage among scientists who rely on this venerable telescope for groundbreaking discoveries about supernovae, black holes, and galaxy clusters. The looming threat of layoffs and diminished research capabilities looms large, painting a bleak picture for high-energy astrophysics in the U.S. Shifting our gaze to the mysteries of the human brain, a perplexing phenomenon known as the Havana syndrome continues to baffle researchers. Despite extensive studies, no lasting brain damage has been detected in the afflicted diplomats and intelligence agents. The enigmatic symptoms, initially tied to a directed energy weapon, have now been termed anomalous health incidents. As investigations unfold, the quest for answers intensifies, shedding light on the complexities of this puzzling medical anomaly. In the realm of climate science, the controversial field of geoengineering takes center stage as Harvard University cancels a groundbreaking solar radiation management experiment. The stratospheric controlled perturbation experiment aimed to test the efficacy of releasing chalky dust in the stratosphere to mitigate global warming. While the project faced setbacks and ethical concerns, the broader exploration of geoengineering techniques signals a growing interest in innovative solutions to combat climate change. In a realm closer to home, the departure of Asmarae Acevao-Berhe as the director of the U.S. Department of Energy's Office of Science marks a significant shift in the landscape of energy research. Berhe's tenure was marked by a focus on climate change impacts and fostering diversity in scientific endeavors. While her departure leaves a void, her initiatives have laid the groundwork for a more inclusive and forward-thinking approach to energy science. Delving into the world of primate cognition, we mourn the loss of Frans de Waal, a pioneering figure in the study of primate behavior and cognition. His groundbreaking research on chimpanzees and bonobos offered profound insights into the evolutionary roots of human behavior. Through his work, de Waal bridged the divide between humans and our primate relatives, challenging long-standing perceptions of our uniqueness in the animal kingdom. From the corridors of academia to the vast expanse of space, the tapestry of scientific discovery continues to unfold, weaving together threads of intrigue, controversy, and innovation. As we navigate these dynamic landscapes, one thing remains clear: the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds, propelling us ever forward into the uncharted realms of discovery. Source: Science. Next story. Breakthrough medications. Can they halt fatal brain-eating diseases? In the world of science, breakthroughs often emerge from tragedy. The battle against a set of rare but deadly brain-eating diseases, caused by misfolded proteins called prions, has taken a hopeful turn. The journey began with a poignant tale of journalist Charlie Clark, whose vibrant life was tragically cut short by Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, CJD. His swift decline highlighted the devastating impact of prion diseases, known for causing irreversible damage to the brain. Enter Sonia Valov and Eric Minikel, a wife and husband team whose personal struggle with a hereditary form of prion disease fueled a relentless pursuit of a cure. Their partnership with biotech companies like Ionise Pharmaceuticals and Sangamo Therapeutics has ushered in a new era of hope. Experimental drugs, such as antisense oligonucleotides, ASOs, and zinc finger proteins, offer promising avenues to halt the production of normal prion proteins, a crucial step in combating these relentless diseases. The stage is set for a groundbreaking clinical trial at the University Hospital's Cleveland Medical Center, marking the first of its kind in over a decade. Patients like Paul and Zach Hoffman, bravely facing the ravages of prion diseases, are enrolling with the hope of not just a cure but a chance to change the course of these devastating illnesses. The pioneering efforts of Valev and Minikel have galvanized the scientific community, propelling research towards innovative treatments that could revolutionize our approach to neurodegenerative diseases. The potential of these novel therapies extends beyond prion diseases, offering insights into combating disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. As the quest for a cure continues, challenges remain. Scientists are exploring multiple avenues, from targeting specific enzymes to developing antibodies that could clear misfolded prions from the brain. The road ahead is arduous, with obstacles like invasive treatments and high costs, but the possibility of transforming lives drives these dedicated researchers forward. In a poignant moment, the story comes full circle as the results of Charlie Clark's posthumous genetic testing reveal valuable insights. His legacy, along with the tireless efforts of Valev, Minikel, and countless others, underscores the resilience of the human spirit in the face of insurmountable challenges. The battle against prion diseases rages on, fueled by determination, innovation, and a shared commitment to rewriting the narrative of these deadly brain disorders. The stakes are high, but the promise of a brighter future shines as a beacon of hope in the darkness of uncertainty. Source: Science Journal. Can new drugs stop a deadly set of brain-eating diseases? Science. Next story. Uncovering the secrets of RNA, advocating for a groundbreaking genomic project. In the world of science, a groundbreaking proposal is stirring excitement and envisioning a colossal undertaking on par with the monumental Human Genome Project. Researchers are advocating for an extensive initiative dedicated to unraveling the mysteries of RNA, the unsung hero of cellular biology. As the narrative of RNA gains newfound prominence in light of its pivotal role in the development of mRNA vaccines against COVID-19, interest in the myriad functions of this versatile molecule has skyrocketed. RNA, far from being a mere courier of genetic information from DNA to proteins, orchestrates a multitude of vital processes within cells. From guiding protein synthesis to modulating gene expression, RNA's significance in cellular biology cannot be overstated. Now, the prospect of embarking on an ambitious genome project has ignited fervor within the scientific community. Spearheaded by the U.S. National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine, this proposed initiative aims to delve into the complex world of RNA, examining the diverse sequences and modifications that govern cellular function. Through comprehensive exploration of the RNA landscape, researchers anticipate unveiling new avenues for disease treatments, vaccine development, and agricultural innovations. The allure of RNA lies in its potential to revolutionize the field of biomedicine. With implications extending to a myriad of diseases, including genetic disorders and cancers, understanding RNA biology holds the key to unlocking innovative therapies and preventive measures. The versatility of RNA as both a therapeutic target and a tool for viral manipulation underscores the immense possibilities that a dedicated genome project could unveil. Amidst the grand vision of decoding the RNA universe, challenges loom large. The sheer complexity of RNA, with its myriad modifications and functional diversity, presents a formidable task for researchers. However, advancements in technology, such as Oxford Nanopore Technologies' cutting-edge sequencing methods, offer promising glimpses into the future of RNA research. While the proposed genome project necessitates substantial financial investment, the potential rewards are nothing short of transformative. With the ability to decipher the intricate language of RNA, scientists envision a future where tailored treatments for diseases, enhanced agricultural practices, and a deeper understanding of cellular processes become a reality. In a realm where the potential of RNA remains largely untapped, the call for a monumental undertaking akin to the Human Genome Project heralds a new era of scientific exploration and discovery. As researchers and policymakers contemplate the path forward, the promise of unraveling the enigmatic realm of RNA stands as a testament to the boundless potential of scientific inquiry. Source: Science. Next story. The science behind excessive fear in our brains. In the realm of cutting-edge science, where each discovery pushes the boundaries of human knowledge farther, 3 remarkable breakthroughs have emerged, shedding light on the intricate workings of our bodies and minds. From brain glue to fear neurotransmitters and olfactory receptors, the scientific community is uncovering the secrets that shape our existence. Imagine a world where neurosurgery complications could become a distant memory. A team of innovative engineers at Harvard Medical School has introduced a groundbreaking solution in the form of dural tough adhesive, DTA. This resilient, sticky hydrogel has the power to seal gaps in the nervous system with unmatched precision and durability. By eliminating the risk of cerebrospinal fluid leaks, DTA holds the promise of revolutionizing neurosurgical procedures, potentially transforming patient outcomes. Meanwhile, in the enigmatic realm of neuroscience, researchers have delved deep into the mechanisms underlying excessive fear responses in the brain. Through meticulous studies involving mice models, they unearthed a startling discovery: a shift in neurotransmitters from glutamate to GABA in specific neurons after traumatic experiences. This biological phenomenon, known as fear generalization, provides a crucial insight into conditions like PTSD, paving the way for novel therapeutic interventions that could alleviate the burden of persistent fear in individuals. On a seemingly unrelated note, the mysterious link between olfactory receptors and blood pressure regulation has captured the attention of scientists worldwide. By investigating the role of an olfactory receptor called OLFR 558, researchers have uncovered a compelling connection between these receptors and blood pressure differentials between males and females. The revelation of a rare variation in the human equivalent of OLFR 558 offers a fresh perspective on gender-specific health disparities, hinting at a potential paradigm shift in the treatment of hypertension. As these groundbreaking studies continue to unravel the intricate tapestry of human physiology and psychology, the future of scientific innovation shines brighter than ever. With each discovery, we edge closer to a deeper understanding of our complex biological makeup, opening doors to unprecedented advancements in medicine and healthcare. From brain glue to fear neurotransmitters and olfactory receptors, the scientific community is on the cusp of a new era, where the boundaries of human knowledge are pushed further than ever before. These groundbreaking discoveries hold the promise of revolutionizing neurosurgery, transforming our understanding of fear responses, and offering novel insights into blood pressure regulation. The journey of scientific exploration continues, fueled by curiosity and driven by the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Source: Science.